Hello, in this video I want to show you the few settings you should change for your Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed to improve your gaming experience. So first let's start with Windows settings, and right here we want to open the start on the Windows 10, enter the mouse settings. You can do the same thing on most of the other Windows versions, and now enter the additional mouse options. Find the pointer options and now disable the enhanced pointer precision. Make sure to apply the settings and now click OK. From here we can move on to the Razer Synapse app. You can download it from the Razer website or type in the Google Razer Synapse. Now click on the mouse. Right here we can customize the profiles, and that's the first thing you should change. So give your buttons on the mouse new functions, and this should improve your skill in the game because you can access things much easier than on your keyboard. You can go for performance to change the sensitivity, and right here I would stick with one stage, but for me personally I'm always using 3 stages. First one is a stage when I just browse my computer, and I'm setting this DPI to something around 1000 because I can access anything and click anywhere easy. Next is a gaming stage. Let's go with 3 right here, and now let's set it to about 1800 or 900 and change the DPI level in the game. But keep in mind that this is a more personal thing, so you can change the DPI to whatever level you prefer. But I'm using this one, and this is the setting when I play the FPS games, and I'm changing the mouse sensitivity in the game a bit lower. The third stage is when I'm zooming in with my weapons in FPS games also, and this one right here I'm using about 1500, and this is also a very important setting to add. Next is a pulling rate, and here I would make sure that I'm using 1000. This improves the quality on how the how the mouse moves around your screen and how fluent it is. As you can see, it's very fine right now. You can also use a 100. You can also use 500. It will be more clunky, but also preferable setting. And 125 is a absolute no. I wouldn't use that. It's as you can see, the mouse just teleports like it's lagging. Now go for the calibration, and if you're using any Razer surface, you can calibrate your mouse for it. And if you're not using any Razer one, I wouldn't calibrate right here, as the mouse has come out pre-calibrated, and this may break it, so just don't change that. Now if you go to the power, right here this is optional setting, but you can change the power saving mode, so enter sleeping mode in 10 minutes when the mouse is idle. So change it to 15 just to not get anything broken in the game. And that's basically all of the settings you should change for this mouse, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.